Hello everyone, I just found a pretty good niche on Etsy and I wanted to share it with you. We were going to look at the keywords and listings that are selling well. And yeah, let's jump right in. So you should be able to see my screen now. And I just came across this this post on Instagram. And it just shows a prompt for the ChatGPT image generation. And here you can see it's those animal pins. I hope I pronounced it right. And you can easily create a mock-up image with ChatGPT now. So create your own design. You can just prompt it ChatGPT to make your own design and create a mock-up like this. The prompt is above. So that's super easy. You don't even have to create a prototype of any type. You just have to figure out a design that sells well. But that looks amazing. You can already use that just for Etsy and upload it instantly without needing to prototype and test it out. So let's go to Etsy. Let's remove this filter and let's look at the animal pins. You can go through it and you see a bunch of bestsellers, bestseller, Etsy's pick, bestseller. So there are a bunch of listings that are selling really well. But we don't just want to jump right into it, but we have to find out what is actually in demand. So I think I opened a store here. Here it sold 1,100 sales. So that's really good. There are a bunch of stores that made thousands of sales with only a couple of listings. One thing before we go into the keyword is if a store here like this one has its sales with an underline, you can click on it and you can see what the store is selling. So that's the most basic tool to make market research on Etsy. And then you can see what this store has previously sold. So it's a bunch of the same design. That's a really good sign that this listing is selling. And as you can see, there are a bunch of customer review pictures. That's always great. So something like this might sell. But we want to go after data. So I just went on marmalade.com. It's completely free. Just type in Marmalade free trial and you can set up a free account for 14 days. You don't have to enter a credit card. You don't even have to verify your email address. It's free, it's not sponsored. So check it out if you like to, but I will also show you the information needed right now. So you can see searches. It got 11,000 searches within the last month. That's really good. So on Etsy, on average, I can give you a range, anything above 2,000 up to 15,000 around about is really good. It's a small niche. Anything above that is fine. The more the better. But those are oftentimes really big niches that are hard to enter. So this looks perfect, but the competition is quite high. 28,000 listings. So this doesn't look too good, but the searches are already perfect. So let's scroll down. You can ignore all of this in between, but this at the bottom is really important. I always click on this twice to show the most searched keyword, and those are long tail keywords. So not the broad, we're not looking at the whole broad niche, but small sections of it. So the most popular keyword here is animal pin display. So let's go to Etsy. Let's look it up, animal pin display. So it's like those stands where you can put in multiple animal pins and display them if you collect them or anything. I don't know anything about this niche. I'm not using it personally, but yeah, I think you understand what it's doing. So this looks amazing. Really good searches. 2,000 searches is completely fine and barely any competition. This is incredible. And if you have a 3D printer, you can even print custom ones and just download them and make them maybe specific to any kind of style like anime or something like that. Or you source them from AliExpress or whatever. But this is a really good niche, and there are even more keywords like custom animal pin. Let's look at that as well. So I will just enter it again. So people are making custom ones here, like custom dog ones or with any custom face. So this is incredible. You can even use this listing to source or to have a supplier for your own designs. So maybe you can contact them and they can make custom ones for the designs you hopefully end up creating with ChatGPT. So this is amazing. Pokemon animal pin is great as well, but be aware of copyright, as well as for Sonic animal pin. But something generic like anime is amazing. Good, so I think that's it. I just showed you all of the whole niche, how to find designs with this tool, and how to source them or 3D print them yourself. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope I taught you something and you can use this knowledge to start your own business on Etsy. Subscribe, like, and until next time.